While it's true that most organizations have projects and projects are managed using project management processes, similar project management processes can be applied regardless of the type of project. A common thing among projects is that all should be defined and planned prior to execution, and all projects should have processes in place to manage constraints such as scope, risk, quality, cost, resources, and time. Another common thing among successful projects is that they contain a life cycle and project management processes. Based on the use of similar titles or definitions, some may be confused when it comes to the difference between project management and the project life cycle. The difference between the two lies in the fact that project management is driven by process groups used to define, plan, control, monitor, and close the project, while work associated with building the project's deliverables is accomplished through activities that are referred to as the project life cycle. Now, another way to look at it is project management creates the project plan and schedule, while the work within the schedule is the life cycle work. Life cycle work that develops the deliverables of the project or the project's work packages. Project management capitalizes on a common set of processes. In fact, a similar set of project management processes can be used to launch a space shuttle or organize a 5-year-old's birthday party. All projects should be originated by a sponsor capable of funding the initiative. The initiative should be defined and planned so that the project's constraints are maintained while the project develops deliverables. Common project management processes provide for consistent organizational assets that can be reused for future activities and capitalize on results from prior projects, another example of the iterative nature of project management. While project management processes may be common, the unique aspects of the project are its deliverables that are built. For example, one can argue that building a house is a different type of project than building an airline reservation system or creating a new line of clothing. While the project processes to execute for each may be common, the life cycle used describes the activities that will develop deliverables, and those activities are typically unique for each project. The benefit of managing projects by phases is that it provides consistent and common methods for progressing project activities. Remember that you know much less about a project during its initial phases than you do as the project draws to completion. The use of scalable and iterative processes helps the project manager oversee the project, while the specific work that creates deliverables is considered to be the project's life cycle. Life cycles align to methodologies that can be used for specific project purposes. The waterfall methodology supports sequential design processes and is often aligned to software development when progress cascades, like a waterfall, through phases such as analysis, design, construction, testing, and implementation. In comparison, the Agile methodology is also primarily a software development methodology that is based on incremental development where requirements can evolve through collaborative efforts almost in real time. It is an iterative approach that develops and delivers time-boxed solutions that are considered to be rapid in development and flexible to changes. It requires more direct interaction and less detailed documentation as compared to the waterfall methodology. As you can see, both examples align to industries such as software development, where there is less waste from changes. It is up to the project manager to choose the approach that best meets the needs of the project.